Okay, we are going to now learn how to upload the new regional meeting list to the naminnesota.org website. Okay, well, let's assume now that Patty or whomever the meeting list administrator is has created a new regional meeting list for the latest month. This month is July of 2019, and they sent us an email with an attached files, one for the meeting list by city, one by meeting list by day, and we will then save those to our download folder. Um, I also get a notification whenever the meeting list FST collaboration Dropbox is updated, so I know that she made these changes. So we're going to upload these files to the naminnesota.org website. So first we have to download those, and we assume that they're in our downloads file. And look, here they are: meeting list by day, meeting list by city. So that they're already in our download file, so we don't need to worry about that. The next thing we need to do is get them off our computer and put them up on the website. That's not hard either. We do that using a protocol called File Transfer Protocol, and we need an FTP client in order to do that, and that client is FileZilla. That's the best one out there. That's the one we use. That's the one I recommend, even though NA has no opinion on FTP clients. So when I open this, it shows me my computer. These are all the files on my computer. You can see there's my username for my computer and all these different files that I can access on my computer here. And I've already got it showing that it's showing my downloads file where my meeting lists are. And look, there they are by day and by city. So this is just a snapshot of my computer here in the FTP client. Now we need to connect to naminnesota.org and get a look of the naminnesota.org server over here. So the way we do that is by first we get our credentials from the web servant, and they set up an FTP account for us on the website and give us a username. Spence Meister is mine at naminnesota.org, and there's my password, and this is how you set it up. And after you've got that all taken care of, you can save it. I saved it as NA Minnesota so that I can just quick connect right here. It goes and connects it and brings everything down there. So let's go take a look at the website now. Here's the website, and if we go to find a meeting and go to meeting lists, we will see that the meeting list right now is set up for June. Oh, look, there it is, June. But this is July. We need to upload the new one. Okay. So let's just see what the meeting list by day is. That's also June. So we've got meeting list by day and meeting list by city. Now, if you'll notice here, this PDF file here shows the actual URL of with the location of where that file is on our website. It's going to be inside a folder called Files, Minnesota Region, and then Meeting Lists. That %20 is how the web browser specifies a space, so you'll see that later. And then here's the file name, MN Region Meeting List by City, and this one's MN Region List by Day, but they're both in the same location. See that? All right, so let's go find that location on our FTP client. This is the root, so we're going to come down here to NA Minnesota, and we're going to go to Files, and then Minnesota Region, and then Meeting Lists. And look, there's our meeting lists. Now, whenever we do this, we always have save the old ones as old and the new ones as this value, whatever the name of this folder is. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the old ones, delete, delete. And we're going to change the name of this one to old. And this one to old. Oops, let's just change that to old. There we go. And now all we have to do is to get the new files on, we just drag them over here. Ta-da, there they are. Now we need to make these file names look exactly like the old file names. So first it's mn underscore, all capitals matter, so make sure that all the caps are exactly right. Region meeting in list underscore, get rid of the date by city. Is that right? No, it's not. We have an underscore to put in there. And so now that's right. And let's get this one correct. This one is ION EEIN list, get rid of the date and put in an underscore. Done. All right, let's go over to our website and see if it worked. Let's see, here's the meeting list by city. That was July. Oh, that's old. Um, this is the meeting list. This is where we are here, June. And bang, now it's July. Let's go to the meeting list by city and refresh. Bang, and it's July. And we're done.